week. We have fixed our chicken problems. Our hens have been visited by, we think what is a raccoon. So we've been doing a few things to collect the eggs in a different fashion and at different times to combat that. And it has succeeded. So we have plenty of eggs this week in the CSA. We also have, let's take a look here, we have some yellow onions. These are smaller yellow onions, and don't forget guys, you can use the tops as well as the bottoms of the onions here. We do have some of our pickling cucumbers this week. Some of you will have squash. It'll either be a straight squash or a gray squash. We have our kale mix this week. So there's dinosaur kale and loose curly kale and tot soy. And then in here we have Thai basil, which if you're not familiar with Thai basil, it's very potent. So you do not need as much, but it has a wonderful flavor. And then we also have some of our edible flowers in there as well. And that's going to be it for this week. And then we will see you next week, guys. Thank you so much.